Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Neng Novianti dengan NIM 1910021, Pendidikan Matematika Angkatan 2019 IKIP Siliwangi. Oke, pada kesempatan kali ini saya akan menjelaskan Identifying the Article. Table of Contents. Number 1. Introduction. 2. Literature Review. 3. Research Method. 4. Result and discussion, and last conclusion. 1. Introduction. The title, Development of Mathematics Teaching Materials for Junior High School Students Based on Ausuble's Learning Theory. The creator, Rahmita Yuliana Ghazali, STKIP PGRI Banjarmasin University, and Rahmita Yuliana Ghazali at yahoo.com. Burning issues. Math is considered difficult learning. Research problem. Mathematics is still a subject that is considered difficult by junior high school students. This can be seen from the report on the result of the UN Learning. Relevant literature. Aunur Rahman 2010 p199 stated that during the learning process, learning problems are often related to learning materials and learning resources. The aim of the research. This study aims to produce mathematics teaching materials for junior high school students in accordance with Ausuble's meaningful learning theory in order to overcome problems in learning mathematics and can be evaluated when carrying out the teaching and learning process. 2. Literature Review. Aunur Rahman 2010 p199. During the learning process, learning problems are often related to learning materials and learning resources. Again and Kaukak, Jasobjen et al. 2009 p10. There are several things that teachers must do regarding the availability of teaching materials, namely: Number 1. Providing various examples and a representation of subject matter to students. 2. Encouraging high level of interaction in the learning process. The last, connecting the subject matter with the real world. 3. Research method. This type of research is research and development. The development of the model used is based on the Borg and Gall models. 1983 p. 775. Whose procedure consists of 10 steps, but in this study only steps 1 to 9 were carried out, while the 10th step was not carried out due to limited research time. Data collection. In this study, the research data is divided into two, namely quantitative data and qualitative data. Quantitative data were obtained from the result of student achievement tests, while qualitative data were obtained from the result of filling out validation sheets, questionnaires, teacher assessment sheets, and student assessment sheets, and learning implementation observation sheets. Qualitative data in the form of filling out the validation sheet and questionnaires were classified into 5 categories of choice. Instruments to prove the validity of teaching materials consist of RPP validation sheets, LKS validation sheets, and TPB validation sheets. The validation sheet is used to prove the validity of the developed teaching material. Data analysis. Qualitative data in the form of filling out validation sheets, practicality assessment sheets by teachers, practicality assessment sheets by students, and observation sheets. Respondent. This research was conducted at SMP Negeri 1 Prambanan from April to May 2014. The subject in the limited trial were 12 grade 7 students of SMP Negeri 1 Prambanan. Furthermore, in the field trial, one class was selected as the subject of the revised product trial and one class as the control class. Result and discussion. Number 1. Learning preparation activities. The result of developing teaching materials using the Bock and Gall development model consists of a preliminary study stage and product design stage and development and evaluation stage. The teaching materials that will be developed are in the form of student activity sheets (LKS), but first a learning implementation plan (RPP) and its completeness are learning assessment test (TPB). RPP, LKS, and TPB which were developed in accordance with the demands of the 2013 curriculum. 2. Implementation. The worksheet developed in this study contains a summary of the teaching materials for social arithmetic and statistics, each of which is equipped with example activity, interaction, and presentation of contextual problems. The purpose of using this worksheet is to provide knowledge to students and help students understand and solve mathematical problems through the example provided. In addition, worksheets also contain activity interaction so that students can construct their own understanding so that learning becomes more meaningful for students. Learning steps that will be carried out during the learning process. The learning process carried out is focused in meaningful learning by using tools in the form of an advanced organizer which is implemented in several forms such as question and answer about the knowledge that students already have, discussion, and learning using the help of concept maps. 3. Writing evaluation results. Based on the result of the analysis, it is known that the average attitude of students assessed from curiosity in learning mathematics in the trial class only falls into good criteria. Meanwhile, the students' interest in the test class on the usefulness of mathematics was included in the very good criteria. 5. Conclusion. The conclusion of this research is that the product in the form of lesson plans, worksheets, and TPB have the characteristic of training meaningful learning with the help of advanced organizer. In addition, the result of the development of mathematics teaching materials based on Ausubel's learning theory have met the valid, practical, and effective criteria. The percentage of learning implementation at the second and third meetings has reached 80%. In the aspect of effectiveness for the realm of knowledge, the value of the learning assessment test descriptively conclude that percentage of students who completed the posted score in the test class reached 71.43% of students who had researched the KKM. This is reinforced by the result of the test which states that the average score of students in the test class is superior to the average score of students in the control class. In terms of skills, based on the result of the MAP project data analysis students concept, obtained the percentage of completeness of the trial class reached 72.73%, while the assessment of student attitudes obtained through peer assessment obtained good criteria for the aspect of student curiosity about mathematics and very good criteria for aspect of student interest in the usefulness of mathematics. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.